Hi, Deborah. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Logo Leads. I believe you spoke with my wife, Megan, recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a couple of easy ways to beat your competition online. I know most business owners are extremely busy and don't have time to handle all the marketing needs of their business. So we started making these videos to help other small business owners like ourselves, just to propel their business forward and gain some more customers if we're able to. If you have questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further, we'd love to hop on a call and talk. But either way, this video is 100% yours to keep. So definitely use it to try and optimize your online presence. And so 3 things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is going to be anything on the front page of your website that Google can read. So it's all the text within your images, what your images are saved as. So all this is going to be content, including your testimonials that I saw down here, everything. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking for things like concrete repair Dallas, foundation repair Dallas cost, and other keyword phrases along those lines that way anyone that's searching those types of items in Google, your website will pop up. Now, did a quick little review of your website, and it's actually an excellent website. You have a nice call to action here with the Contact Us. You have your kind of credibility building here with the Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor. That's all excellent stuff. You do a very informative approach, just making sure that the people that visit your site are educated. And also you got your testimonials down here, like I said, which those go a long way. One thing I would suggest for your website is you do have a foundation repair separate page. And again, I love how you aim to educate. That goes actually really, really far as content goes, because you want to get your keywords stuffed into here. However, I would suggest even creating separate further pages for each of these, for each of the different types of foundation repairs. So creating a separate page for pier and beam foundations, creating a separate page for just typical slab repair. So that way you can actually hone in on those types of repairs, use keywords that are relevant to those. That way you can rank these back pages, is what they're called. That'll also help you just kind of target more keywords, and I'll talk about that here in a few moments. So the other thing that, otherwise, that your website is actually excellent. It's very well done. Love the layout, and I love how easy it is to navigate. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk to you about is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal, so that means you're going to gain a lot more influence from backlinks that are related to your industry. So, for example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of either slab repair blogging or information where you can comment or be mentioned, things like that, as opposed to going to having something like a Domino's or a weird foreign website that no one's ever heard of and has nothing to do with your business. So you'll get a lot more influence and power coming back from those. So I went ahead and did some research on your backlinks, and it's a tool we use called Ahrefs. And essentially, we'll take a look here. Oh, let me go back. There we go. So you actually do have quite a few number of backlinks as well as referring domains. However, it is still only generating 1 for your organic traffic, which is the number of people that visit your website over the past month. Your organic keywords that your site is being ranked for is pretty low considering how many backlinks and referring domains there are. So I was a little curious about that, and when I checked out your referring domains, a lot of them are what we call no follow. What you want is do follow, and essentially what that does is it translates power from a credible website to your website. And there's only certain websites that do it. And so if you're just mentioned in one, but it's a no follow link, then you're actually not getting nearly as much influence and power from that credible website. So that is something that you would definitely want to look into, just kind of doing a backlink and referring domain review to make sure that you're getting the most that you can out of the backlinks that you do have. That way you would start to gain more power. I went ahead and did your home advisor, because you actually locked down a very, very good URL name for your business. So DFW Foundation Repair is excellent. So when I did that, first off, you're the first thing that pops up on Google because of the home advisor. They're extremely credible, obviously. So if people end up searching DFW Foundation Repair, you're probably going to get some traffic from that. So that's really good. And it looks like your home advisor ends up getting more traffic. This is the home advisor one gets more traffic than your normal website, and it's because of that name. Now, unfortunately, if people aren't searching for that name or for those keywords specifically, for example, if they do something like Dallas Foundation Repair, then you're out of luck. You're not going to show up anywhere near that. So what I did is I went and took a look at this first one here, Ocean Foundation. You may or may not have heard of them. And let me see here. Let me get them pulled up. My apologies, I thought I had it pulled up here. So you're going to see they have 169 backlinks, way less than you do. Referring domains is also about half of what you have, but their organic traffic is 480. So they're getting 480 people to their website. And again, it's because they have a higher percentage of their total referring domains that are do follow, and they're just getting a lot more power from those. And they're ranking for a lot more keywords. So they have more keywords in their content that's allowing people to search for them. So the last thing I wanted to talk to you about real quick is something called citations. Whenever you do something like foundation repair in Dallas, let me just take a snap back here, you'll get something called a map pack, a Google map pack. This is what shows up right here. And there is a way to penetrate this right here. It's through something called citations. And citations are just where your name, your business name, address, and phone number are listed in the online directories like Home Advisor, Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages. Those are all different types of directories. So the more directories that you can get listed on, the higher you will rank in here. And then essentially what we would plan on is that, and I apologize for background noise, I'm actually on vacation at the beach recording this. The more citations that you get, we would try to match whatever the top ones here. Here's Olshan again. And then give you like a 20 to 30% cushion. So that way, you remain at the top, and then you keep on just adding them over time, staying on the top, and then you'll be getting all that traffic that way. So thank you so much again for your time. If you have any questions, please do give us a call. And I hope you have an excellent rest of your weekend.